Go.
Hello beautiful people, this is Ankeru's wife again. Welcome to Jam Tools Africa, and today I'm going to show you something extraordinary about my eyebrows. I know they all look perfect right now, but yes, I don't know whether I should say it or you should see them first before I discuss it. I don't know what I should do, but anyway, let me go with the flow. So something happened to me around 2017. It's about the eyebrows once again, and well, before I go further, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. So in 2017, I remember I was still in college and I went to do my eyebrows somewhere in Nairobi. You know as girls, and at that time I think I used to model in school. Yes, for Miss, the college I was at that time. And I remember I went to this place to do my eyebrows. I think at that time I was feeling like I'm not really perfecting, and they applied me some henna. The henna is a mixture of some powder with water, and then they tint your eyebrows. So I went for the tinting, and apparently they did it. Okay, it was a he. The guy did my eyebrows, and well, after some time I started scratching my eyebrows, to the point of them peeling off, and I really wondered what was that. So I'm going to show you what they look like in a few. I'm just going to grab my wipes and you're going to see how they look like. Yes, I actually walk like this, without the painting sometimes, but let's see what I'm gonna use this as my as my mirror for today, because I can't really grab my mirror right now. Ta-da! That's the new transformation. Yes, so this is what I look like naturally. That's my natural look. Those are my eyebrows. And guess what? I'm very, I walk with them so confidently because, okay, they're just scars. I believe we all have scars. And yes, okay, this is just to show you girls out there, or anybody who is going out for tinting, please just, have a good look of your skin. Just know whether your skin is so sensitive. Apparently, I didn't know my skin is super sensitive, because we were like 3 ladies at that time, my college mates and stuff, and apparently I was the only one who the henna reacted on. Like, my skin is so sensitive, so it's very good for you to know how your skin is before you do all that procedure. Alternatively, just opt for the natural look. I wish I knew at that time. I would have just stayed natural. It's not like my face is bad or anything, and even the eyebrows, I would have just done my simple eye pencil like what I do nowadays. And yes, but thank God for my husband. I'm really going the natural way nowadays, using shea butter on my skin. And all along, you all know I have a baby right now, and I've been using shea butter, and it's really working well on my skin. So kindly, please don't go for the hennas, for those who are listening to this, because you may not know what might turn out later. So I went to the hospital, and I remember the doctors mentioning of something like vitiligo. I really don't know whether that's this vitiligo, because I really don't have a skin condition like, this just happened with the eyebrows, after applying the henna. So I really don't believe this vitiligo. The dermatologist tried everything possible, gave me some creams, but all that didn't work, and I gave up apparently. So I decided to stay like this, and maybe encourage somebody out there to just love yourself the way you are, stay natural, and yes, and everything will be super perfect. Yes, so like the video once again, comment down on the comment section below, sorry, and subscribe. Show us some love. Let us know where you're watching from. Let me know where you're watching from, and give this video a thumbs up. See you on the next one.
Go.
So yeah, and well, I have a plan. I really hope it works well on me this time round. and the plan is to do a permanent tinting, not really permanent but kind of permanent. It's well, I did the follow-up. The whole thing is located in Nairobi, Kenya, and it's how do we say it? It's like micro shading, ombre powder, you know, shading the eyebrows and all that. So it lasts for, okay, there's a arrangement for like, I don't know, 2 years. There's an arrangement of 3 years, and there's one for 5 years, 5 to 6 years, that is. And yes, I think I'm going to opt for the 5 to 6 years, and all these depend on the there's a price for everything, whatever you choose, whether you choose the ombre shading, you choose the microblading, all these you're going to be explained for at that place. It's called the Bro Revamp in Kenya. And yes, well, I've seen very many reviews, you know, for people who have done the thing, and it really looks good on them, you know. I really hope it will look good on me. So that is what I really want to do right now. But first of all, I need to go there so that they can test my skin. Yeah, it's like a, you know, like a skin clinic or something of the sort, or as per how you can call it, you know. Yes, they're going to test the skin, and then they're going to advise on the you know, on the different arrangements, the micro shading, the you know, all that. There are 5 of them. I can't really remember all of them, but yes, so those are the things that that is what is on my head right now. I'm really going to do that because the dermatologist didn't help. They started saying, oh, vitiligo, you know. You can imagine how this feels. And my husband is on the background making me laugh. So that is it for today. And yeah, let me know about, has anything like this ever happened to you? I'm very sure there's somebody out there who, you know, has a story to tell. You know, we all hide maybe some scars we have. And anyway, on the next video, actually, I'm planning to, I don't know whether I should mention it, but I can still remember my husband's reaction on the first day he saw my eyebrows. Well, it was a good one, you know, but I'm going to do a video, you know, on that, you know, on how he reacted and all that. So yeah, guys, that's it for today. I don't know whether I've left out something, but yes, that's it for today. Have a good one from wherever you're watching me from. Yes, show us some love as always. Comments on the comment section below, like and subscribe. Bye.